Hi guys, and welcome back to another how-to tech with Alpha Park Public Library. In our previous videos, I walked you through testing our Access 360 and Libby apps. Those are specifically used to download ebooks and audiobooks to your device. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the RSAcat Mobile app. This app is great to use to see what libraries have certain titles available in the actual library, or placing hold on titles, checking the what you have on hold, any fines on your account, any other type of account info, maybe even scanning a book that you see in a bookstore to see if your library or any libraries in the system have it. So we're going to just start by walking you through how to use this app. So I have it pulled up right now. I am using an iPhone. This app can be downloaded in the app stores. So download it onto your iPad, your iPhone, or any other type of Apple device. It's also available in the Google Play Store, so you can put it on an Android device, your Kindle, anything like that. So to start off with, I'm going to click the three lines that are over there on the right side of the page. So if you click that, the first thing you want to do is sign in. So I'll pull that up. For privacy reasons, I'm going to enter this but not show it on screen. I'll just cut to the next step. But you will need your library card number, and then you will need your PIN or your password. If you're ever unsure of what your PIN or your password is, you can give us a call here at the library and we can walk you through either resetting it or tell you what that default PIN is. The other option you have too is to scan your barcode and then enter your library card or PIN number. So I will do that and then we'll be right back. Okay, so I am all signed in now. So you have some basic functions on the main page. You can search for the libraries nearest you. You can scan the barcodes like we talked about if you're in a bookstore and you kind of want to see if they've got a copy available at any of your local libraries. That's what you can use that for. Or you can take a look at your account, manage loans, your holds, any bills, and more. So I'm going to go ahead and click the three lines here over on the side. And as you can see, I've got 19 checkouts. So if I were to hit checkouts, you can see all the titles I've currently got checked out on my account. You know, I can view the item, I can renew it, renew all, select whatever you're looking at doing. If I go back, I could see any holds I might have currently, any fines. Linked accounts is great if you have family members who have library cards, because what you can do is you can check to see sort of what they have on hold or what they have checked out. If you want to renew any of their items, all you have to do is press this add button and enter their library card information, and their account will be linked to your account to sort of help manage everyone. So if you've got little kiddos that have items checked out on their own library card, you can take a look, go in, renew those items for them instead of having to come into the library to do so, or giving us a call. You can just use the app. So let's take a look at nearest library. So if I were to click this button, it shows that Alpha Park Library is the library closest to me, which makes sense since I'm currently in the building. But then it goes to show any other libraries that are closest to my current location. If you see an open now, it means that they're currently open. Granted, we are closed to the public right now, so this is not entirely accurate. Our hours have been changed due to COVID, which are posted on our Facebook page and our website, which is why we also recommend that if you do see that a library is saying that it's open, always call them just in case, because you might not know how their hours have changed because of the current state of things. They may say open, but maybe they're just offering curbside service right now. And then other libraries will say they're closed today, they open on this day. So always call ahead of time, especially if you're not familiar with what that library is doing. If they've switched to curbside or their hours have been adjusted, it's always good to just take an extra step and call them just in case. So let's go back here. And then this is the scan ISBN barcode feature. This can be used, which it'll pop up in the camera here. So it pops up in the camera and you see if you got this little line. So what you can do is if you find a book, which did it ahead of time here. If you find a book in the bookstore, you can just scan the barcode and then it'll pull it up in the search feature. And if you click this here and you scroll down, it'll show you what library has it, which we're the only library that seems to have a copy. So it says copies 1, and we've got it in our new nonfiction section. And then it also provides you with the Dewey number as well. Gives you a nice summary, gives you some subject tags that you can click on that will bring you to similar items. You know, any other content, you can place a hold on it. Really simple to just walk through and see. So this is great if you're in a bookstore and maybe you see a book that you're interested in reading but you don't want to buy it. You can use this feature instead to just see if there's any libraries in the area or in our system that carry the title. Go back here. And then again, the my account info, you can go in and see, you know, what you've got checked out, what you got on hold, if you have any fines that need to be paid, anything like that. So let's do a quick search here to show you how that works. So say I want to look for a title I know that we carry, and Christmas is coming up. So we'll search for Christmas with the Cranks, which is a DVD. Okay, so we've got 3 results that pop up, 1 that matches the title and 2 other ones. If we look at our features down here at the bottom, it says we have the 3 results. It's currently limiting it to just Alpha Park Library. And then it's under collections here. It provides us with physical items in the catalog, but you can change this to, you know, ebooks, e-audio, you know, either Overdrive or Access 360. Access 360 is that e-read Illinois right there. So let's just do physical items in the catalog. We'll do video disc, and then we do still want to limit it to Alpha Park Public Library. Hit apply features, and those same results still pop up. Now if I wanted to click on that first result, again, it brings up the info. I currently have this title checked out, so it's giving me the option to either renew or place a hold on it. And then scroll down here, and you can see then other libraries that also carry this title. So say you really want to get it today. So you can scroll through this list, which is in alphabetical order, and try to find the library closest that you could maybe just run and pick it up from. What you're looking for is anything that says like DVD, maybe, you know, has a call number. If it says material has been checked out, it's been checked out. If it's in transit, it means it's being sent between libraries, could be coming back from a library, could be going to another library. You know, AV movies, you've just got different little tags there that sort of indicate what the status of that item is. Just know that anything that says material has been checked out, it's not available, or if it says in transit, it's not available to get. It's probably, you know, out of the library somewhere. Maybe it's in quarantine. Some libraries, most libraries are quarantining their items for a specific period of time before they get put back out. So that could also be what's happening as well. Scroll back up here. Let's search for another title. Let's search for, let's do Harry Potter. That's a popular one. Okay. So again, I've got all of these options available, got 47 results. I'm still only limiting it to my library. You can change this if you wanted to and do all items. You can pick another library. That's totally up to you. I'll leave it on Alpha Park Library for now. Same, you know, format. I'll do any format to include the books, physical items in the catalog. Hit that apply features button. Now I've got 129 results available. So I just want, let's look at the Oh, scroll here. A lot of video discs. Let's look at the illustrated edition. Okay. So, yep. So it gives you that placehold option again. So if I wanted to hit that, I'll do placehold. And then I can set my pickup location. So I can either do it as Alpha Park Library or say, well, I know that in, a week or so I'm going to be at this library, so maybe I'll set it for there instead. You can change the location of where you want to pick the item up from. And it'll be sent there for you to get. You don't always have to do it at your home library. You could set to pick up at a different library. So my home library is Alpha Park Library, but maybe I want to set the pickup location at Fond du Lac Library. So I have that option to do that. So once you set your location, you hit your placehold button, and it says RSAcat Mobile app, hold placed, and then you just hit OK. And if I go back here all the way to that main page, hit those 3 lines, and go to my holds, I can see that I have this now currently on hold. And if I wanted to, I can view the item, I can change the pickup location, I can suspend the hold, meaning I don't want it quite yet. Maybe something's come up, I've got a last minute vacation, I don't want it to get in, libraries only hold it for 5 days, and then it goes back out. So why don't I just suspend the hold for now and try to get it at a later date. I still want the hold placed, but I'm going to just suspend it for the time being. Or you can cancel the hold. So in this case, I'll just cancel the hold. It'll ask you to confirm. And now it's been canceled. If for some reason you get something that pops up, you don't get that the hold was placed, maybe there's an error in your account, give us a call. We'll have to take a look and see what's going on. Any account that's is over $5 in fees will be blocked. You will just have to lower those fees under $5 in order to continue to place holds and check out items. Just be aware of that situation. If for some reason it's saying, your hold can't be placed for whatever reason, just give your home library a call and we should be able to help you sort it out. But that's it. The RSAcat mobile app is super easy to use. It's great for when you're at home. You don't want to have to hop on the desktop. You don't want to give us a call. You don't really want to come in. You just want to hop in and say, hey, I wanted to see if they have this title. Oh, they do. Let me place a hold on it. Or, hey, maybe I have to renew some items. Go in and do that. Look at how your account's looking, if you've got any fines or fees to play, and take care of those. And do the linked accounts if you've got other family members with library cards and you just want it all in one central location that you can easily go into to renew items and things like that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I really encourage you to download the RSAcat mobile app, get logged in. If you need any further info or want to walk through in person, please come on by the library and we will be happy to help you. Hope you have a great day, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.